Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix can't activate cache card. So guys, when you try to activate your cache card, it's showing that your cache card has been declined because it's not activated. So guys, I'll show you how can you fix it. So you can see here guys, basically it's happened when you try to send the money to someone. It's showing that your cache card was declined because it's not activated. So just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to launch the cache app, and from here you have to tap on your profile. So let me tap on that. From here you have to make sure that if you have verified your identity, and after that guys you have to scroll it down and just simply have to put the personal information, and from here you have to scroll it down and tap on support. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on cache card, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, and you can easily see here guys, issue with cache card. And from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on cache card declined, and from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on chat, and from here guys you have to tap on not about the transaction, and from here guys you have to contact with the cash app support team and tell them your problem, and hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.